Ang topic for today is how to transfer sales na nasa Excel into QB Desktop. So ito yung sales natin na nasa Excel. Ito yung ating company, nasa QB Desktop using Sasan transaction, no? Ito yung ating third-party software, Sasan transaction. Okay. Let's do it. So, na-plancha na to no? So, lahat ng field naka-ready na. So, I will save this and open the Sasan transaction. And click import. Now, Sasan is connected to the company. And this time, ang pipiliin ko is sales receipt kasi these are all paid, no? So, hindi na ako dadaan ng invoice for AR kasi cash sales ito eh. So I will use sales receipt. Then let's browse and look for that item or Excel file. Ito yon, combined. And then mapping, automatic magmamapping na yan. So let's check yung mapping niya. Sales receipt, reference number, customer name, date, tama. Product, hindi niya nakuha. So I need to identify, ituro ko sa kanya, particulars yun. Product, yes, particulars yun. And then, ang amount, hindi na natin kailangan yung description, quantity, rate. Ito, amount. Ang amount will be the net sales. Net sales. Diretso na tayo sa net sales. Ano pa? Okay. So, tuloy-tuloy lang. Hindi natin kailangan yung iba. Memo yung pangalan ng pasyente. So, ito yung memo. Okay. Okay, expiry, hindi natin kailangan. Transaction. Pending. Deposit amount. Lahat ng payment i-deposit sa bank. So, meron akong ginawang bank na field name. And then, okay na. Wala na. Next. So, let's double check kung tama lahat. Sales receipt, customer name, date, product or services is consult, net sales, a memo, and deposit to bank. So, 553 total transaction sent to QB. Let's wait. Siguro ikakat ko yung video kung medyo matagal ito. Okay. Sandit lang pala eh. Tapos na. Done. Okay. Let's check. Yung ibang is pangalan is MedCert quick report. Meron. Nandiyan naman pala. Yung isa sa mga item kasi dun is MedCert. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please visit me or contact me. Pwede rin naman sa qbdhub.ph. Thank you. Bye.